हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा स्टरलाइट टेक्नोलॉजीज लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल पे काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइज, स्टरलाइट टेक्नोलॉजीज शेयर प्राइस, स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रेकोस। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 182.90 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज़ 225। 225 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। सेक्टर केबल्स, इंडस्ट्री केबल्स, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर। This is a technical chart, Sterlite Technologies Limited. Current market price 182.90 with a target price of rupees 225. Live market price 182.90. Okay, insights, key metrics, returns. Sterlite Tech shares price insights board meeting was held on 27 Jan 2023. Meeting agenda, quarterly results and rights issue. Please add to watch list to track closely. Okay, key metrics. Okay, PE ratio 141.75, EPS/TTM 1.29, market capital 7,268.61 crore, sectoral market capital rank 2, PB ratio 3.50, dividend yearly 0.27, face value 2, beta 0.41, VWAP 181.88 and 52-week low high 242.80 and 128.60. Okay, Sterlite Tech returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. News. Sterlite Tech news and analysis. Sterlite Tech share analyze. Recommendation. Strong buy. Okay, financials. Ratios. Cash flow. Balance sheets. And income, profit and loss. Betting 3-year revenue CAGR, company's annual revenue growth of 19.42% outperform its 3-year CAGR of 4.25%. Source consolidated financials. Okay, quarterly, annual, December 2022. Okay, total income 1,891, total income growth plus 5.23, total expenses 1,718, total expenses growth plus 2.44, EBITDA 173, EBITDA growth plus 44.17, profit after tax PAT 50, PAT growth plus 13.64, EBITDA margin 9.15, net profit margin 2.64, basic EPS 1.95. Forecast. Technicals. Okay, price analysis. 42% positive movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. 57% negative movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot levels: classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Pivot 179.17 and ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. peer comparison, technical chart, okay, Sterlite Tech, Birla Cable and Aksh Optifiber ratios performs. Stock return versus Nifty Midcap 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of 40.06% as compared to Nifty Midcap 100, which gave a return of 65.5% as of last trading season. Shareholding pattern. Total shareholdings. Okay. Quarter on quarter change. Category 31st December 2022. Promoters 54.09, pledge 0.00, FII 7.87, DII 2.85, mutual funds 1.15, others 35.19. Mutual fund ownership. Okay, first Nippon India Small Cap Direct Growth Equity Small Cap rating 4-star. Amount invested 52.73 crore, 0.22% annual plus minus 18.06% change month to month basis. Okay, then second Aditya Birla SL Digital India Direct Growth Equity Sectoral Technology. Amount invested 18.54 crore, 0.57% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, then third Taurus Discovery Midcap Direct Growth Midcap Equity Midcap rating 3-star. Amount invested 3.60 crore, 4.62% annual plus 2.50% change month to month basis. Okay, corporate action. Okay, Sterlite Tech dividends. Others and about Sterlite Tech. Okay. Okay, so guys, Sterlite Technology Limited incorporated in the year 2000 is a mid-cap company having a market capital of rupees 7,153.11 crore, operating in cable sector. एक केबल कंपनी है ये. Sterlite Technologies Limited key product revenue segment include income from project development, cable telephone system CTS, software product, sale of services, export incentives, scrap and other operating revenue for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials. For the quarter ended 31st December 2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 1,891 crore, up 5.23% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 1,797 crore and up 37.93% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 1,370.96 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 45 crore in latest quarter. Okay. Company has priced Waterhouse Chartered Accounts LLP as its auditors as on 31st December 2022. The company has a total of 39.83 crore shares outstanding. Okay. Anil Agarwal, Non-Executive Chairman. Praveen Agarwal, Vice Chairman and Whole-Time Director. Industry cables, optical fiber. Location E1 MIDC Industrial Area, Balunj, Aurangabad, Maharashtra 431136, India. Okay. So guys, Sterlite Technology share price, stock analysis and Recos. Sector cables, industry cables, optical fibers. Current market price 182.80 with a target price of रुपीज़ 225. 225 का टारगेट है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, सो गाइस आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।